Hello, everybody. It's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and check out this catio. If you have multiple cats, one cat, two cats, this catio is really nice. It's about 5 feet tall, so pretty tall. It's got multiple sections for the cats to lay in. You got these little cubbies here. You even have a little spot there for them. And then you can easily put a litter box in there, right? So the litter box goes in there. They step out and the litter falls off their paws, so you can wipe that out. Magnetic doors, which is really nice. You have a little like scratch pad here for them to rub up against. They can use their claws here. There's toys that hang off of every little nook and cranny. Super easy to install. Instructions are pretty straightforward. You get all the tools too as well. You even get brackets to mount it to the wall so it doesn't tip over. But honestly, this thing is pretty solid. It's not going anywhere. So if you're looking for a nice cat condo, a little catio to put in your house that also houses and hides the litter box, definitely check this out. And again, a shout out to the company for gifting me this so I can do a review.